Hey, we've got some new products in for balusters. So if you are interested in making your own railing design, then we got something just for you. We have DECKORATORS balusters in 3 different styles. So the first one I want to talk about is the estate style. It is a square aluminum baluster, won't rust. Okay. We do have the caps and so forth for assembling between the top and bottom rails, so it would get sandwiched like so. Next, we have the classic railing round balusters in both bronze and black in aluminum. Once again, caps are sold separately, are on our webpage, but we have them both for a level rail and for a stair rail. You can find those online. Once again, it gets sandwiched between a top and bottom rail. And then lastly, we have the architectural series, which is one of my favorites. It is a flat railing. It's got this really cool curve to it. And this gets attached to the surface of a railing. So a couple ideas on that. One is we do sell the TimberTech Evolutions rail, which is just a top and bottom rail. It looks like composite 2x4s in black and traditional walnut. But we also have these cedar deck boards. So you could do something like so with a cedar deck board and attach your railings to that and have this really nice decay resistant cedar top and bottom rail. The other option that if you're a little more handy in woodworking is we still have this beautiful mahogany. It's Meranti mahogany. We have, I don't know, a lot of it. So you could rip this right up the middle to make a top and bottom rail and just round over the tops. Put a nice finish on there, but mahogany lasts a very long time and has a very rich color when it's finished. So you'll see some of that actually right here on this table. So just a couple options there. You'll find all those balusters on our website, warehouse71diy.com. And if you have any questions, just give a phone call, 860-528-0495. Thanks.